In this video, we will learn how to create an automated scheduled rule. Let's dive in. Start by navigating to Settings from the main menu. From there, select Rules. Click on the plus button to start creating a new rule. Give your rule a unique name. This will help you identify it later. Next, set the trigger to Schedule. This allows you to define when the rule will be active. Your rule can be active always during holidays, always except for holidays, or between specific dates. Choose the option that suits your needs. Now select an icon for your rule and choose a color for it. This will make it easily recognizable. After setting up the icon, click Next. Now we'll add the triggers for this rule. You can set your rule to trigger daily, weekly, or monthly. Select the frequency that fits your requirements. Now choose the rule start time. You have options like at sunrise, at sunset, before sunrise, after sunrise, before sunset, or after sunset. Once you've set the start time, click Next. It's now time to add an action to perform. Choose the type of action. Select the room you'd like to control, and then pick the device to be controlled. For our example, we'll choose to turn the light on. If you wish, you can add another action. Mark the Delayed Action checkbox to delay this action. For instance, we'll set the porch light to turn off after 3 hours. Once all your actions are set, click Next and then Save Rule. Great job! You've just created an automated scheduled rule. These rules can greatly enhance your home automation system, making your life easier and more convenient.